Git was not found, skip source download. If you find this problem, we have to actually change something from the XAMPP. So let's go to the C drive. Basically, you have to actually go for the XAMPP downloaded folder. I mean, a XAMPP folder where you have actually installed it. If it is in D drive, let's say you have some other drive, so you may actually go there and you just have to actually go for the XAMPP folder, right? In this case, I have it inside C drive because I have installed XAMPP in C drive. So I'll go to the XAMPP here, you can see, and then I just have to go for the PHP folder. Here you can see. And then I have to search for php.ini, okay? Here you can see we have view option here. And if I click here, show, here you can see file name extension. Just click here and then you will find it. Here you can see php.ini. And when you don't need it, you just actually go here, then show, then just check it once again. So here you can see we have PHP and this is the php.ini. You just have to actually open it. Just double click it, or you may actually open it with Notepad. Just click here, open. Here just you have to search for this extension, and you will find it at the middle of the page somewhere else. And then you just have to actually remove this, quotation, comma quotation. You just have to actually remove this. That's it, and then save the file. Fine. Now you may remove it. Okay, done. Now let's go and press enter once again to check if it is working or not. Yes, now it's perfectly working.